In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete chat history in WhatsApp. First, open WhatsApp on your mobile device. You will see the main screen filled with your chats. This is where all your conversations are displayed. Make sure you are on the correct screen to avoid any confusion later. If you have many chats, take a moment to look through and find the one you want to delete. Opening the app is crucial as it sets the stage for the next steps. Once you have WhatsApp open, you are ready to proceed. Next, tap and hold the chat you want to delete. As you do this, you'll notice that the chat will become highlighted or selected. This visual cue confirms that you have chosen the correct chat. It's important to ensure you've selected the right conversation, as this action will lead to its deletion. Holding the chat for a moment will help you avoid any accidental deletions. Once you see the selection, you know you are on the right track. From there, tap the delete icon, which looks like a trash can. This icon is typically located at the top of the screen. When you tap it, a new confirmation option will appear. This is a crucial step because it prevents any unwanted deletions. The trash can icon signifies that you are about to delete the selected chat. It's important to pause here and ensure that this is indeed the chat you want to remove. Now, tap Delete Chat to confirm your action. This final tap will permanently remove the chat from your history. You may see a brief message confirming the deletion. It's essential to confirm this step as it finalizes the process. Once the chat is deleted, it cannot be recovered, so make sure you are certain before proceeding. After tapping, you will see that the chat is no longer in your list, confirming that your action was successful. Deleting individual chats can help keep your WhatsApp organized. It removes conversations that are no longer relevant, which enhances your overall experience. This little step saves you a lot of time later by making it easier to find important messages. So, be mindful about which chats you decide to delete. Once that is done, you can continue using WhatsApp without the clutter of unnecessary chats. Keeping your chat history tidy can make it easier to find the conversations that matter most. Remember, this process is straightforward, and you can repeat it for any chat you wish to remove. If you ever want to delete multiple chats, the process is similar but involves selecting each chat you want to delete. This way, you can clean up your chat list even more efficiently. Just remember to confirm each deletion along the way. In conclusion, you now know how to delete chat history in WhatsApp. This skill is useful for maintaining privacy and organizing your conversations. Keeping your chats in order ensures a smoother messaging experience. With practice, these actions will become second nature. Thank you for watching and happy chatting.